What's up, guys? Straight Up Driven, we're back.
And here we are at Import Faceoff today. It only took us 4, 5, 6 hours.
It was a long drive. We brought the exotic cars out. They're gonna be in the car show. And we're gonna see, maybe we'll take a trophy, maybe we won't, but you know, we're just out here. We're so excited to be here and be part of the show. We're gonna do the low car limbo, do whatever else they're participating in. Really appreciate the guys having us out here. You know, Cliff and Keegan from Import Faceoff, they put on an incredible event. Check out their events, guys. Come out, bring your car. They have so many classes, so many awards, you might win something. So what we're gonna do with Straight Up Driven today, we're gonna set up a table, and if you show us that you follow our YouTube channel and our Instagram, we're giving away free cash, free shirts. All right, guys, we got the raffle tickets, got the box. Now all you gotta do is come by the booth right now at Import Faceoff, and you gotta show us that you follow us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. You get a free ticket. We're giving out over $2,000 worth of stuff today.
Oh, Kyle with the drip. Too much ice. Too much ice.
It's getting icy. It's getting icy. Guys, we're gonna go check out Ken's car. It is crazy. So Ken is partnered up with a guy who's doing custom paint work. Custom, and tell us a little bit about the car, Ken.
This has got 30 hides of crocodile that have been shaved and dyed like a honeycomb. It's patented, so nobody can even have this material except me. There's over 20 coats of clear on this.
It's just the roof. Look at the roof. This is all custom paint.
So if you flash that at night with a light on it, it pops hard. We're actually, you can do it over carbon fiber too.
Wow.
So it's gonna be all redone, like the roof.
So it's painted over the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
That is sick, bro. When we put the carbon fiber on the Aventador, we need to do that. We need to do that to the Aventador. All right, guys, we're here at the drag race scene. We're on the drag strip right now. Some of the fast cars, I see some low 8 seconds, guys letting off at the end. I think there's some potential 7-second cars here. There are some fast cars, check them out. I'm excited. Jesse from Fast and the Furious came over. Guy is great, taking a picture with Kyle. How does he get Kyle gets a picture before me? All right, hey. So Jesse, for the channel, if you get a chance, we'd love your opinion of the cars.
Beautiful. Everybody go follow this guy.
We're gonna do the low car limbo with this lovely lady. You guys follow her. What's your Instagram?
At Miss Linya, MISSLINYH.
Yeah, we're gonna go do the low car limbo. We'll see if we win. Hector took my car.
Hector took your car? Son of a bitch. I knew, yeah. He's a carjack. You did. Yeah. A successful carjacking. Congratulations. You know, no
took
one
my car.
Sure.
It is what it is. I gave it up. We got more at home. I don't know who's driving my car. Somebody's driving it.
You got this. I think you did. Congratulations. And I guarantee you, you're good.
I don't know what happened.
Ladies, keep a close eye on that bar. If it looks like it's gonna hit, I'd rather it not. It's gonna hit, so go ahead and lift. Yeah, that's gonna hit. I'd rather it not physically touch the roof. I would, okay, that's fine. You can hear me, right? Okay, yeah, lift it up. There you go. You failed, Lynn. You hit the wrong button.
All right, guys, well, everybody that likes, shared, and subscribed to Straight Up Driven, we're gonna raffle off all the stuff that we gave out right now. $100 cash, 651022. 651022.
Let's go.
$100. $100. Look it. Read it. 100.
There you go, brother. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, you picked it? All right. Thank you for the AirPods. It's 651039. 651-039. All right, there. All right, guys, just finishing up here at the car show. Straight Up Driven, we did incredibly well. God bless. We won Best Truck with the new Jeep Gladiator and Best Exotic with the Mclaren. Yeah, we had a great time. We met a lot of new friends, new people, and we just, you know, we hope to see you all at the next event. We're going to be giving away a lot of prizes, doing a lot of fun stuff. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel Straight Up Driven, and thank you, a big thank you to our sponsors. We're Real Estate that donated the Apple earplugs to be given away today. City Collision Center, CarPayday.com, and Cafe Lou. So thank you so much to our sponsors. We can't do it without you guys. We'll see you guys at the next event.